This 2019 Forest River Wildwood 263 BHXL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newtown, Connecticut, 06470 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Newtown. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.